Everybody has a fridge at home, and getting rid of the smells inside it can be a pain sometimes. Many times, cleaning it isn't enough to eliminate the odors, so we brought some natural and cheap tricks. First of all, to really get rid of any bad smells, you need to remove all rotten food. Do a deep cleaning of all drawers, shelves, and in the door. See 3 amazing tips to get rid of smells in your fridge. Use coffee powder. After cleaning your fridge, put a cup of coffee powder or grounds inside it. Use a large plate or bowl so the coffee can absorb the smells faster. An important tip is to change the coffee every 30 days. Use alcohol vinegar. Alcohol vinegar is an efficient bactericide to remove smells from your fridge and other house appliances. To completely eliminate any odors, clean your fridge, then rub a cloth soaked in some alcohol vinegar inside it. Use an apple. Apples can attract the molecules of bad smell inside the fridge and freezer. Just cut the apple in half and put it inside the appliance for 3 days. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. An important tip to avoid the bad smells from returning is to wash everything before storing it in the fridge. Avoid covering the fridge shelves to allow for good ventilation, and always clean inside the appliance at least once every 3 months. Many other homemade solutions easily solve this kind of issue, like lemon, baking soda, coal, cloves, and many others. Now that you know how efficient these natural products are to eliminate smells from your fridge, try to always store your things in airtight packages. Then come back here and tell us about your experience. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.